Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escape mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be doing another wig cap using a sewing machine. This is the hair I'll be using for this tutorial. It comes like this. It comes in 4 bundles with different length. I'll be using this wig cap that comes already with it with the lace and my sewing machine. I think that's just what we need for this tutorial. So like always, I'll always like to mark out the lines where I will be putting each bundles. What I was telling you about marking out where I want the bundles to sit is something like this. Marking out this really helps to when you're sewing using a sewing machine. Then I mark it close to each other like this because I have much hair. I have 2 bundles of this hair. But if you have just 1 bundle of a hair and you want to do your wig, what you need to do is space out where you put the wefts. For example, you can leave like 1.5 inch to each weft. So after drawing this, I'll just go ahead now and start sewing down the bundles. At the start, I won't be doubling the wefts. I will only double them at the top of the wig. See how nice those coils are? This hair is really, really soft. Another thing I've noticed when I'm sewing using a sewing machine, you want to sew on top of the stitches on the wefts that they made, so it will leave the wig so the wig will be smooth when you finish.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light, no. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah, there's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They've been piling up inside. Inside there's a glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free.
Okay guys, as I got here now, I'm going to start doubling the wefts. Then I'll be doubling it like this. When you want to double like this. Not on top of each other. You want to like one of it should be at the bottom and the other at the top like this.
I was trying
Then the stitch I'm using to sew this is like a zigzag, so it's easy to pick the two wefts like that.
When you know that every teardrop has to go, they be piling up inside. Drop it, inside this glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free. Ain't gotta let it go. Let it go. No more. Like sunrise. Go. No. There's no past, no tomorrow. Get lost in reflections. Dance with the starlight. You gotta be there. You gotta be. I want it closer. Bring me my black sunrise. Gotta be there. You gotta be
Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of bluffing the blushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah, I'm kicking the castle down. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside. Inside there's a glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see. Lose the shadows and be free. Black sunrise. Ain't gonna let it go. Let it go.
Okay guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this one, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so anytime I post a new video you won't miss out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.